Hi, Grant from Briggs Stratton Power Generation here with one of our P3000 easy starting inverter generators. Just want to spend a couple of moments walking you through some of the features of this machine. On this side panel you'll see that we've got all of our starting processes. We've got an on-off switch here which is also a combined fuel tap, our recoil starter and our choke control, all located on one side for ease of starting. You'll also see on this machine we have a wheel kit and a retractable luggage style handlebar system. Makes it very easy to wheel the machine around. Coming down to the front of the machine you'll see we've got our two 240 volt outlets and our 12 volt regulated outlet. You'll also see we have what we call our PowerSmart switch here. When this is turned on the machine drops down to idle. It'll only ramp up and provide the load as you put the load upon it, so it saves fuel and it saves sound. We also have a little LCD stat station here on the front of the machine. Shows you as a percentage how much power you're using, but also reminds you when the machine is due for a service. On the top of the machine we have an automotive style fuel cap and also a fuel gauge. Lastly we have our H-style configuration handlebar system here. Makes it very easy to do a two-person lift with the machine, but also provides multiple points for you to put a lock and secure the machine. Those are just some of the features of our P3000 inverter generator. Camping, I want to walk you through our two inverter models to help you make sure that you get the right size for your own application. So we do two models. The first is called the P3200. As its name suggests, its peak output is 2200 watts with 1700 watts continuous operation available. This one here is our P3000, 3000 watts peak output, 2600 watts continuous available to you. The two different machines are basically designed that way so that you get the right size for your application. So if you've got a smaller caravan where you've got smaller air conditioning, medium sized fridge, things like that, P2200 may be just what you're looking for. Bear in mind though that the average kettle needs around about 2000 to 2200 watts to boil. So if you're looking at this particular machine here, you're probably going to be peaking it out just to boil a kettle. So if you want to run other things in conjunction like air conditioners and fridges, you may have to turn some of those things off if you want to boil a kettle. If you want to run things such as your air conditioner and your fridge in conjunction, you may need to look at going up to the P3000. You've got more wattage available, and particularly for a caravan of this size where you've got a large roof mounted air conditioner or a full size fridge, you'd be wanting to consider going to the P3000. So those are the two models that we do, the P2200 and the P3000. Please have a look at your power requirements. You can actually add them up, see what it is that you need and how much you want to run at the same time, and then make your inverter generator selection based on that. Thanks for watching.